In the lone universe within our solar system, a huge planet was trying to be a star by the sheer power of its swirling storms and magnetic might, a colossal orb of gas whose secrets have beckoned humanity's curiosity for centuries. Jupiter stands as the giant among planets, an ever-changing canvas of turbulent clouds and roiling storms that stretch far beyond the limits of our earthly imagination. It is a realm where seething layers of hydrogen and helium form endless ribbons of color and light, where ancient tempests rage unchallenged by time, and where the interplay of gravity, pressure, and energy tells a story that began at the dawn of our solar system. In this journey, we trace the whispers of history, the echoes of distant exploration, and the very physics that govern a planet so massive that it dwarfs our own world, yet remains an enigma wrapped in mystery. Jupiter is a behemoth with a diameter nearly 11 times that of Earth, a swirling mass of gas that challenges our conventional understanding of planetary surfaces. Instead of solid ground, there is only an ever-shifting mosaic of clouds, bands of amber, cream, and rust, churning endlessly as fierce winds and hidden currents battle within its depths. The visible layer, a thin veneer of ammonia ice crystals and other exotic compounds, conceals a gradually intensifying realm below where pressure and temperature mount with every descent into its interior. In these deeper regions, hydrogen itself transforms into a metallic state, a conductive ocean that gives birth to one of the most powerful magnetic fields in the solar system. This field, an invisible force many times stronger than anything found on Earth, carves out a protective magnetosphere that extends millions of kilometers into space, ensnaring particles and radiation in a dance that has both fascinated and frustrated our most advanced probes. Throughout the decades, humanity has reached out to this swirling giant with machines that braved its tumultuous environment and hostile radiation. Early emissaries, such as the Pioneer spacecraft, first revealed hints of Jupiter's mysteries in the 1970s, daring to skim its outer regions and capture fleeting images that hinted at the complexity hidden beneath those turbulent clouds. Not long after, the Voyager missions, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, whisked past the giant, delivering a treasure trove of images and data that transformed our understanding of the planet and its retinue of moons. In the mid-1990s, the Galileo orbiter embarked on a daring mission, orbiting Jupiter and unveiling a world of intricate atmospheric dynamics and the curious behaviors of its satellite companions, from the volcanic fury of Io to the icy expanses of Europa and the magnetic wonders of Ganymede. Today, the Juno spacecraft orbits high above the swirling head of Jupiter, its instruments peering deep into the planet's interior to unravel the mysteries of its formation, composition, and the forces that continue to shape its destiny. Each mission has peeled back a layer of obscurity, yet for every secret revealed, countless questions remain unanswered. The atmosphere of Jupiter is an extraordinary tapestry woven from extreme contrasts. At the outermost layer, temperatures plummet to levels far below anything on Earth, with cloud tops that chill at minus 145 degrees Celsius, their frosty textures offset by dazzling bursts of color and the signature appearance of the Great Red Spot, a storm so immense and enduring that it has persisted for centuries, despite the natural tendency of storms to dissipate over time. Deeper into the planet, conditions transform dramatically as pressures and temperatures rise exponentially. Here, the familiar rules of matter are pushed to their limits. Hydrogen, under the weight of thousands of atmospheres, becomes a shimmering metallic fluid that conducts electricity and generates currents that swirl into an immense magnetic field. At the very heart of Jupiter, theories suggest the presence of a dense core, a relic of the planet's earliest moments, forged from rock and ice and hidden beneath layers of fluid material that blur the boundaries between solid and gaseous matter. The hostile environment of Jupiter poses insurmountable challenges to any notion of human habitation. There is no solid surface upon which to build or land, and the intense pressures, searing temperatures, and relentless radiation make the idea of living within this gas giant an impossibility with our current technology. While the concept of floating habitats drifting amidst the upper layers has been contemplated in speculative fiction, the reality of Jupiter's environment, with its unpredictable storms, colossal gravity, and lethal belts of radiation, renders such dreams as distant as the ancient stars. Should an intrepid traveler or probe attempt to penetrate its depths, they would be met with forces so extreme that no material known to humanity could endure the crushing weight and fierce heat. There is no passage through Jupiter that leads to a serene other side. Instead, one would encounter an endless progression of hostile conditions that ultimately spell doom for any craft unprepared for such a relentless assault. Beyond the physical enormity of Jupiter lies its profound influence on the solar system at large. The massive gravity of this gas giant acts as a cosmic sentinel, its pull diverting wayward comets and asteroids that might otherwise threaten the inner planets. In its orbit, Jupiter has played a central role in sculpting the architecture of our planetary neighborhood, influencing the trajectories and fates of countless celestial bodies. Its powerful magnetosphere, while primarily a source of wonder for scientists, also serves as a natural shield, capturing high-energy particles and radiation that would be detrimental to life on planets like Earth. Yet, for all its protective qualities, the study of Jupiter has provided scientists with critical insights into the processes that drive planetary formation and evolution, knowledge that is essential for understanding not only our own origins, but the dynamics of countless other systems scattered throughout the galaxy. The story of Jupiter begins in the swirling chaos of the early solar nebula, a time when dust and gas coalesced under gravity to form the diverse array of worlds that orbit our Sun today. In this primordial crucible, Jupiter's massive core likely emerged first, gathering material at an astonishing rate and then capturing a vast envelope of hydrogen and helium before the nascent solar wind dispersed the remaining gas. This rapid accretion set Jupiter on a path to become the dominant force it is today, a process that not only determined its own fate, but also exerted profound influence on the formation of other planets and moons. Over billions of years, Jupiter has borne silent witness to the evolution of our solar system, its swirling storms and enduring magnetosphere a testament to the ancient forces that once shaped all that exists. Among the most intriguing aspects of Jupiter's identity is its retinue of moons, each a world unto itself and a chapter in the larger saga of this magnificent planet. The four largest, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are a diverse collection of celestial bodies that have captivated human imagination since the days of Galileo's first observations through his telescope. Io, with its surface broken by ceaseless volcanic activity, is the most geologically active object in the solar system, its eruptions fueled by the relentless tidal forces exerted by Jupiter's immense gravity. Europa, cloaked in a sheet of ice that conceals a vast, hidden ocean, stirs the hopes of scientists in search of extraterrestrial life, its darkened surface hinting at the possibility of a dynamic, subsurface realm where life might have taken root. Ganymede, larger than the planet Mercury, and the only moon known to possess its own magnetic field, challenges our understanding of planetary magnetism and internal structure, while Callisto, scarred by ancient impacts and featuring a heavily cratered exterior, offers a window into the earliest epochs of the solar system. Together, these moons add layers of complexity and wonder to the narrative of Jupiter, each contributing unique insights into the processes that govern planetary bodies and the potential for life in even the most unlikely of environments. As humanity continues to explore the vast reaches of our solar system, the next chapters in the story of Jupiter are already being written by new missions that promise to probe its mysteries with unprecedented precision. The forthcoming Europa Clipper, a mission dedicated to unveiling the secrets of Europa's icy crust and hidden ocean, aims to determine whether the conditions for life might exist beneath the frozen exterior of this enigmatic moon. Meanwhile, the European Space Agency's JUICE mission is poised to embark on its own odyssey, targeting not only Europa, but also Ganymede and Callisto, with the goal of comprehensively understanding the complex interactions between these icy worlds and their giant host. These missions, alongside the continuing efforts of the Juno spacecraft, represent the cutting edge of planetary exploration, a fusion of scientific ambition and technological prowess that drives us ever deeper into the unknown. In contemplating the possibility of alien life within the realm of Jupiter and its satellites, the focus naturally turns to environments that, despite their extremity, might harbor the building blocks of biology. The tumultuous atmosphere of Jupiter itself, with its raging storms and searing pressures, is an inhospitable realm for life as we understand it. However, beneath the icy exterior of Europa lies a hidden ocean that could conceivably provide a sanctuary for microbial organisms. The interplay of chemical energy and liquid water in such an environment presents one of the most tantalizing possibilities in the search for life beyond Earth. It is a hypothesis that compels scientists to look not outward to distant exoplanets, but inward to our own celestial backyard, where the echoes of creation and the potential for new life persist amid the relentless forces of nature. The raw materials that comprise Jupiter, predominantly hydrogen and helium, are the fundamental ingredients for nuclear fusion, the process that powers stars. In theory, these abundant resources could offer untold potential for energy production or other technological applications. Yet, the prospect of extracting such materials from an environment as hostile as Jupiter's remains a concept relegated to the realm of far future possibility. The technological challenges involved in approaching, let alone harvesting, these elements are immense, and for now, the focus remains on scientific discovery rather than resource exploitation. The idea of tapping into Jupiter's vast reservoir of energy or raw materials serves as a reminder of both the potential and the limitations inherent in our current understanding and capabilities. The mysteries that swirl around Jupiter extend far beyond its physical composition and environmental conditions. They encompass questions of formation, evolution, and the very forces that govern the cosmos. The mechanisms behind its enduring storms, such as the Great Red Spot, continue to defy complete explanation. Despite centuries of observation, this colossal storm persists, its origins and longevity the subjects of intense debate and study. Similarly, the processes that drive the dynamic behavior of its atmosphere, where winds race at unimaginable speeds and chemical reactions produce ever-changing patterns, offer both a challenge and an opportunity to expand our knowledge of planetary physics. Each discovery, each nuance observed by our probes, adds another piece to a puzzle that spans billions of years and countless astronomical phenomena. The influence of Jupiter extends well beyond its immediate surroundings, its gravitational pull shaping the very structure of the solar system. Acting as a guardian of sorts, the planet's immense gravity deflects or captures objects that might otherwise pose a threat to the inner planets, a role that has earned it both admiration and scientific scrutiny. Its presence has left an indelible mark on the distribution of asteroids, comets, and other small bodies, a cosmic choreography that has evolved over eons. In this context, Jupiter is not merely a subject of study, but a key actor in the grand narrative of our celestial neighborhood, a silent force whose impact resonates across space and time. Throughout the ages, the allure of Jupiter has inspired both wonder and scientific inquiry. Ancient civilizations gazed upward, their observations woven into myth and legend, unaware that they were witnessing the majesty of a planet whose true nature would remain hidden until the advent of modern astronomy. The pioneering work of early astronomers paved the way for the dramatic breakthroughs of the modern era, when telescopes, spacecraft, and innovative scientific instruments began to peel away the layers of mystery surrounding this giant. Each successive mission, from the daring flybys of the mid-20th century to the sophisticated orbits of our current explorers, has contributed to a growing tapestry of knowledge, a mosaic of observations that, while incomplete, offers an ever-deepening portrait of a planet that continues to captivate our collective imagination. In the face of such complexity, the human desire to explore and understand remains undiminished. The pursuit of knowledge about Jupiter is not merely an academic exercise, but a reflection of our innate drive to unravel the secrets of the universe. Every measurement, every image transmitted across the vast emptiness of space carries with it the hopes and dreams of countless individuals who look to the heavens with wonder. The challenges are monumental, the conditions extreme, yet the spirit of inquiry propels us forward into realms that once belonged solely to myth and legend. As new missions are conceived and new technologies developed, the promise of discovery beckons, a call to uncover truths that lie hidden beneath swirling clouds and in the silent orbits of distant moons. In the vast narrative of our solar system, Jupiter stands as a beacon of mystery and majesty. Its swirling storms and hidden depths are a testament to the dynamic forces that have shaped the cosmos from its earliest moments. The data gleaned from decades of exploration has illuminated many aspects of its nature, yet each answer begets further questions. How did such an immense body form so rapidly in the early days of the solar nebula? What secrets lie buried within its tumultuous interior? And what might the frozen surfaces of its moons reveal about the potential for life in the most unexpected corners of our planetary family? These questions linger as both challenge and invitation, urging us to continue our quest for understanding. The path forward is illuminated by the promise of new explorations and the steady accumulation of data from missions that push the boundaries of what is possible. With each passing year, our instruments become more refined, our models more precise, and our vision of the cosmos ever clearer. The forthcoming expeditions to Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto are poised to add new chapters to the story of Jupiter, offering insights into the interplay of ice, water, and rock, a narrative that might one day reveal whether life could emerge under conditions so alien compared to our own. Even as we marvel at the raw power and beauty of this giant planet, we remain mindful of the challenges it poses, the limitations imposed by its hostile environment, and the ever-present reminder that the universe is as formidable as it is wondrous. This account of Jupiter is not a conclusion, but an invitation, a call to explore further, to push the frontiers of our knowledge, and to embrace the mysteries that lie at the edge of our understanding. The planet that dominates the skies above us continues to whisper secrets of creation, of cosmic evolution, and of the delicate balance between chaos and order that defines the universe. In every gust of wind, in every flash of lightning amid its turbulent storms, there exists a hint of the immense forces at play, a reminder that Jupiter is both a product of the past and a beacon for the future. Thus, as the hours pass and our journey through the vast, intricate story of Jupiter unfolds, we find ourselves on the threshold of discovery, a moment when the collective achievements of human ingenuity converge with the timeless mysteries of the cosmos. The swirling clouds, the deep mysteries, and the silent guardianship of its countless moons all point to a truth that transcends our terrestrial existence. The universe is vast, its secrets boundless, and the pursuit of knowledge and endeavor as endless as the stars themselves. The saga of Jupiter is one of wonder and relentless pursuit, a testament to the power of curiosity, the strength of scientific inquiry, and the enduring allure of the unknown that continues to inspire those who dare to look beyond the horizon of the familiar and into the heart of the cosmic unknown. There's so much more waiting to be explored. Drop a comment with your favorite fact, hit subscribe, and stay curious.